One of the benefits of yoga is improved balance, which can help you in all aspects of life. And also working on balance in your body helps you to work on balance in your life. So when you want to balance, you want to start with the feet right underneath your hips, and then you want a wide foundation. The wider your foundation, the more stable you'll feel. So you lift the toes off the floor. Start with your baby toes, then your fourth, your third, your second, and your big toes. Feel as wide in the feet as you can. And then begin to shift into one foot, and then take the other and just make a little kickstand pose. So we take our heel and rest it right above the ankle. Keep the hips lifted. Sometimes when we stand on one leg, we drop that hip. So you want to pull it up, pull the belly in, bring your hands to your heart. If this is a lot for you, then stay right here. If you want a little more of a challenge, you can start to float your toes up off of the floor, maybe pulling that knee back a little more, so that if you need to, you can just drop the toes back down. A little more of a challenge is to bring that foot onto your calf, pressing the knee back even more. And moving on, if you want to go a little higher with that leg, you take the same hand to grab the ankle and pull it up inside of your thigh, pressing your thigh into your foot and your foot into your thigh with the same amount of energy. Pressing palms together. You can keep your hands resting at your heart, or maybe you want to stretch those arms up, pulling the shoulders down the back, reaching that knee back. Take a few calm, long breaths. And then bring your hands back to your heart and slowly release that foot to the floor. And then you want to do it on both sides to be balanced in your body. So again, you lift the toes, you spread them out as widely as you can, shift into the other foot. Begin with kickstand. Hips are lifted, bellies in, back is tall. Staying here or floating the toes up, working the knee back. Staying here or bringing your foot onto your calf and pressing the knee back. And staying here or reaching for that ankle, pulling it inside the thigh as high as you can. Press the foot and thigh together, open the knee. Hands rest at the heart, or you can stretch the arms, shoulders down the back. Hold your gaze nice and still. And then bring your hands back to your heart and release that foot back to the floor.